Okay, so because this is really important, I want to do something more than just giving you a rundown of the facts. I want to go a little deeper so that you can hear some of the things that the Privy Council says about this decision. So we are going to read this case together. You will benefit from hearing directly from the source the problems that the Privy Council found in this case of Vinson Ariste. I want to say, with the Privy Council in the Caribbean, sometimes there can be a lot of suspicion, perhaps because it's so far away. This is not a defense of the Privy Council, but I want you to understand how the court came to the decision in this case. And that's why I'm taking the time to take you through the decision step by step. So there are 7 things that will help you to understand this case that you want to pay attention to. One is that he was arrested and in police custody from the 21st to the 27th, and he is said to have confessed, made a bunch of confessions between the 22nd and the 25th.